Hey everyone, so here's Pixley app. It's a live video app uh, with help of which you can create this really cool photo animations. All types of short videos. This is not to generate the full on videos. This is just to create GIFs. So here you have it, the new version of Pixley. Our memories often exist only in old photographs, but what if we could bring these old photos to life and see what our loved ones might look like if they were still with us? Now this is possible with AI technology and Pixley app. AI analyzes the uploaded image and attempts to bring the people in the photo to life, giving them realistic movements, facial expressions, and gestures. Create your unique 3D doll, new human portrait effects, special effects. Basically that's the idea. You need to have a subscription in the app, so I upgraded for you. So this is an upgraded version because there is no free trial. You can't get coins for free. You can't refer friends to get free coins and stuff like that. So yeah, here you have it, and then you can just explore it like this. Then you just have it, the ideas in here, and then you have projects, so you can just start. So what are popular projects? You can live up the photo. You can see the details, and this is a template photo. So let's try it out. You can see that even with subscriptions, it uses 10 coins, and I'm getting 50 coins for a weekly subscription. So it seems I can only generate like 5 results. So you need to know that. So it's quite limited. And then it's creating, you can see this is the request code. And then you can see that it's creating. Due to high demand, generating may sometimes take longer than usual. If you don't get your video in 4 hours, please contact our support team with the code about. We'll do our best to help you get your creation as soon as possible. So, you can copy that code, and then you can see creating status while it's just being created in here. That's basically the idea. Again, you can see 40 coins. You can then get and buy more coins, but you can only buy more coins if you already have an active subscription. So then you can buy 50 coins for like $5, additional for $20, and so on. So then there are settings. Then you can delete an account. Then there is. So yeah, that's kind of the idea, how it works. Then there are also all types of filters in here: dolls, office, vacation, some popular filters, cars, fun, horror, zombie transformations, male giants, London Eye, Burj Khalifa, New York, Times Square, Fight Club, Dissolve. So all types of transformations and video effects you have in here. Again, this is not like standard AI selfie app. This is the app to create AI GIFs, AI short videos. This is also not an app to create, longer videos from prompts. So this is a specific niche, and if you're looking for something alternative for that, so there is another app called Hula AI. This is also quite popular, so this is also good. And then there is also Video Max app, so AI video generator, Video Max. So you can also use this one, if you wanna. So just like Video Max in here. So that's also a fun app. That's what you have. And so there you have it. So this is it. And then you can see your projects. So it's really taking some time for it to generate, and you can always check out like the estimated time left for this app. You can see a lot of reviews. Some reviews are not so happy, just depending on the country, but still the app is in top charts in the US App Store. And seems they're just running very active like TikTok ad for this app. Some people not happy. And then people say that instead of just bringing photo to life, this app is just creating a zoom effect. So it's just basically zooming into the photos. But we will check it out. And some people said that this app rejects just the photos, not worth the money. But yeah, overall you can see that this is just in European markets, I think, because this is not US App Store. In US App Store, it's quite high in the charts. You can still see that it's quite high in the charts in here. And yeah, it's still kind of good model, but maybe it's not perfect. But maybe they are also just running super active ad campaign in here. So it's still creating. So yeah, it's just taking time. Almost finished. So yeah, it's taking more than 5 minutes, I guess. So it's quite slow, but you can also create some other effects. Male giants, you can create female giants. So for example, let's create this effect in here. And then you can generate another one. So now you can see the result of this photo. So like you can see you generate the effect kind of like the photo with cowboy. So yeah, you can then just save it. You can just share it. So you just decide whether it's good. I mean, this short GIF, it's quite kind of like a cartoonish version of it. The overall photo image is quite good. You can, yeah, as you can see, if you wanna regenerate, it takes another 10 coins. So you need to be careful when you're doing that. When you're regenerating, yeah, then it's that's just what happens. You can rename projects and yeah, so that's basically the result in here. You can just see. Then you can also see some toys, and for example, you can generate something with this. That's another thing. So yeah, this is basically the idea. And yeah, so there you have it. All kinds of effects. There are all kinds of like TikTok hits and all of that. You can use this app for that. But yeah, overall, this is what you're getting. I mean, this app has a nice discount where you can use it like for $6 per week, I guess. So if you try to not upgrade a few times, I will offer you a discount pop-up where I think you can get like $6 per week, which is cheaper than Hula AI. But this app, there is another app called Video Max where they actually have referral codes. So in Video Max, you can invite your friends and get 4 generations for free. So if you're just looking for free solution, this is the app you get. If you're looking for the best quality, I think you need to get Hula AI in this niche. And if you're looking for not the best quality, not free, but a bit cheaper, where you don't need to refer friends, but it's still cheaper than Hula AI, but a bit worse quality, then use Pixley. So you just decide.